Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we have something interesting and rather disappointing, but I will go to it one by one. That would be the Mercedes SLS AMG GT3. Now, according to Wikipedia, I'm not speaking exactly about the GT3 but the SLS in general. So, two-seater limited production sports car developed by Mercedes AMG division with the assistance of David Coulthard, and is the successor to the SLR McLaren and the spiritual successor to the 300 SL Gullwing. Much more information about the car is for Wikipedia, and there is a lot of information about the car. I will leave a link in the description below. But back to this is made by Motormax. SLS is one of my favorite cars of all time, and I really wanted the Sport Edition. Unfortunately, there are a few elements that are disappointing in this model, and I will talk about them. And in the future I might get another SLS standard variant with better production. If you know, my love for Burago has been said many more times on the channel. Motormax, not so much. The box is fairly standard, nothing too special about it to mention. It is licensed by Ferrari, and yeah, let's open it up. And I need my trusty tool to do that. Okay. Okay. Leave the box aside. There is some interesting custom layout to the box, but allow me a couple of moments to open it up and we will talk about the model itself. And we're back. Yeah. So Motormax. Let's say it again. Unfortunately, Motormax has some problems with their quality, especially in bigger car models. I'm not really sure if even bigger, the 118, the 1.8, if they have the same problems, but the 124s have a lot of problems. From the distance, at a glance, the model is really cool, really sporty. It's the same SLS with gullwing doors. The bonnet can open also, which is cool. If I could open it without damaging it, yeah, so we can. But like I said, there are a lot of problems with this model. For one, let's take a look here. So there is a clear difference in the texture. Here there is a clear difference with the hinges and the doors. Here the hinges for the bonnet are exposed. The paintwork is messy. The casting is really messy. Yeah, I can't say I am really disappointed, but it has a lot of issues. Like here, the bonnet is scraped, this painting goes outside the norms here. So yeah, I should not focus on the negatives, and I will try not to. It will be in my display, of course. I will not discard it or anything, but like I said, in the future I think I will get another SLS and have it properly this time. But let's talk about the model, shall we? So there are quite a few details, interesting details with it. The SLS AMG, sorry. This hinge to be towed. The wing is really interesting. This I hope my camera will see it. Let me see if I can. Yeah, not doing much, but it is a white with a lot of some racing details. Number 7, the AMG logo, and pretty much it. No other stuff. But yeah, the doors can open and we can see inside. Racing harnesses, one driver, the roll cage, anti-roll cage I should say. The steering wheel is upside down. Yeah, there is some texture there. On the other side, let's see. A med kit and a fire extinguisher. Okay, and let's see inside the bonnet. I don't think I will be able. Yeah, I can't open it more because it will affect the window. Really disappointed. I think in the future I will avoid Motor Max models. I don't remember if I have any more. I don't think so, but either way, future purposes will avoid Motor Max. I'm sorry, but this is not okay. This is not quality. This is not, and don't get me wrong, it was not cheap. I mean, it was almost the same price as the Dodge Viper or the Porsche 963. So yeah, and those have quality to them. Yeah, check my you can check my channel for those two. But yeah, unfortunately I am not really stoked about it. Like I said, I will place it in the collection, but it is what it is. And unfortunately, on this sour note, thank you for watching today's video. Leave a comment down below if you have an opinion on it, and see you in the next one.